السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Welcome all of you in Learning Arabic Language series. What is our lesson today?
Our lesson is about letter Z.
Is it sounds like za sounds in English?
Exactly. They have the same sound. Try to say Z and say.
Za, zay.
Let me now give letter Z a sound with slashes. We have for Z fatha za. We have for Z kasra z. We have for Z dhamma zu. Try to say za, zi, zu.
Za, zi, zu. Could you give us some examples of letter zay sounds with slashes in words?
We have for Z fatha zarafa as English word giraffe. Zarafa as English word giraffe. We have for Zai kasra zina as English word decoration. Zina as English word decoration. We have for Zai dhamma zuhur as English word flowers. Zuhur as English word flowers.
These were about letter zay sounds in words with slashes. Could you give us examples of letter zay shape in beginning, middle, and at last of the word?
Zai in beginning looks like this shape. It is in a word zayt zaytun as English word olive oil. Zayt zaytun as English word olive oil. Zai in middle looks like this shape. It is in a word jazar as English word carrots. Jazar as English word carrots. Zai at last of the word looks like this shape. It is in a word لوز as English word almond. لوز as English word almond. These were all about letter Z. I hope you enjoyed the lesson.
The information about letter zay were amazing. Thank you, tutor.